friends, it's Christy. Welcome to Bitly Ditley Has Plans. In today's video, we're doing a flip through of the month of July in my Plum Paper 7x9 hourly. So let's take a look. Alrighty friends, so starting with the index page, you know how I like to kind of decorate them up a little bit. I got this cute little girl gnome from Ever Changing Plans. It was a freebie that wasn't included with one of my orders. I just thought she was so darling. I wanted to use her, so I put her on the index page along with a bunch of these little pieces of clip art. These are from Planner Cake Kit 333 Fireworks, as well as this washi here. I loved this scalloped patriotic washi, and so I wanted to make sure that I used it all up, and so what I had left over from my weekly spread that I used this kit in, I put on this index page just for fun. So that's that. And then moving into the highlights page, this is the July monthly kit from Ever Changing Plans. So I used all of these pieces from the kit. These two little icon stickers are from Nichole Hutch Designs. And then this podcast sticker is from Planner Kate. This piece of washi just came from the kit here. And then the monthly page coordinates with the highlights again from Ever Changing Plans. I loved the flamingos. I threw in the boxes to fill in the blank boxes that weren't part of the month. This little vacay sticker here is from Happy Planner. And then the rest of this is all from the kit, all of these pieces here. This script here is a Nichole Hutch design script, but this sidebar piece here is from the Ever Changing Plans kit. This was so cute. I loved the bright kind of Hawaiian tropical feel to this kit. It was really fun to use this. So going into the first week, so we were actually on vacation this week. We kind of left at the end of June and stayed through the beginning of July. And so there wasn't a lot of plans in place. So I used this as just some journaling here. And I love the way this turned out. You know, I usually have some white space, but I just decided to go for it. A lot of this is from the kit. This is Planner Cake Kit 333 Fireworks. And I've got this Habits here is from Nichole Hutch Designs. This Vacation again is from Happy Planner, but these little icon pieces are all from the clip art from the kit. What else do I have here? This little airplane is Planner Kate. It was a sheet that I got from one of her sales. All of these scripts here came from the kit. And then this little gift box here is also Planner Kate. But I loved how this turned out. I kind of tried to document like what we did each day. So that first day, I went on my Erin Condren shopping spree. I have a video on that I'll put a card there for. And then we went and did all of the DC monuments that night. On the way into Pennsylvania, we went to the battlefield at Gettysburg and visited the museum. And then we just had we went to Lancaster on the first day. We went to Knoebels Park the next day. So I just kind of tried to document and fill in with what we did. So I loved this kit. And something I did different here again, because I love this washi and I just wanted to be able to use it all. Instead of tracking like breakfast, lunch, and dinner like I normally do down here, I just tracked dinner. Like, who cares what I had for breakfast and lunch? I wanted to use the washi. So this was week one. This was really fun, super patriotic. I loved this kit. Going into week two, this is Planner Cake Kit 328 Tropical. Again, just journaling and documenting what we did each day. We went kayaking and then we went boating on the Susquehanna River. It was really fun. Again, the little airplane from Planner Kate, just documenting our trip home. This Habits is from Nichole Hutch Designs. These scripts here are Planner Kate, and then this fill-up gas tank is also Nichole Hutch Designs. So the rest of these things came from the kit. This is Planner Kate. It's not from the kit, but it was a little sheet of stickers that I purchased. And then just kind of filling in the rest of what we did on our vacation and then filling in with boxes. So really cute. Again, that tropical feeling, but just in more of a pastel kind of subdued colorway than the Ever Changing Plan ones. So I liked that. And then going into week three, I have Fern Creek Stickers. This was the May Mystery Kit. I've got a bunch of Planner Kate scripts here. This Costco Commissary. These are from Phenix Plans. Again, Nichole Hutch Designs. This is also from Nichole Hutch Designs, as well as the chores. These Cleaning Time, Laundry Time, these came with the kit from Fern Creek Stickers. Same with this one here. We had a boating day that day. This soccer practice is from Phenix Plans as well, all the way across the board here. Just kind of filled in with some of the cute, fruity, tropical boxes that came with the kit. This little like highlighter sticker here, this is from Ever Changing Plans, as well as this little sneaker. And then this to-do, all of these to-dos across here are from an Ever Changing Plans kit where I didn't use the to-dos with the weekly spread, so I used them here. This bank is also from Phenix Plans, and then the staff meeting sticker is from Ever Changing Plans as well. So kind of a busy week, but enough space to kind of fill in with some of the cute little fun boxes. I love the shops. I love Fern Creek Stickers. I love Planner Kate, Ever Changing Plans, just all of them. They're so much fun. And then this week, these little flamingos here is from Orange Umbrella Co. Again, another favorite shop of mine. This to-do all the way across the board is from Fern Creek Stickers. These again are from Planner Kate, Nichole Hutch Designs, Nichole Hutch Designs again here. This is from a freebie, from a Planner Kate freebie. And then soccer practice, this is all Phenix Plans here. I loved this kit. I loved the feathers. I loved the flamingos. It was perfect because we had a company picnic at our zoo on the Friday here. And one of the big exhibits that we have at our zoo is a flamingo exhibit. And so I loved how this turned out with the flamingos here. Did pretty good with tracking my meals. Kind of fell off here on Sunday, but a pretty full week. I love how this turned out. Such beautiful stickers. All of these prints here with the feathers. These little balloons here are from Planner Kate. So that's week 3. And then the final week, this is an Ever Changing Plans weekly kit. It's the first time I ever used a weekly kit from Andy's shop, and I love how it turned out. I kind of had a lot going on, things that were happening, and I wanted to document it. So I went back to this highlighting. I just used my Tombow pens here, my brush pens, to highlight, and then just kind of journaled. I really think I want to have a second planner for memory keeping and journaling. I really, really do. I don't know. I think I kind of want to get maybe a Moxie Life planner to do more like memory keeping in and just kind of write some things down that are happening. Most of all this came from the kit. These, again, are from Planner Kate. The Safeway is from Phenix Plans. Budget Review Habits. Fill up the gas tank. That's from Nichole Hutch Designs. This cute little vacuum came from the kit. Clean House, that one's from Planner Kate, but all these boxes are from the kit. Staff meeting, this is from Ever Changing Plans. It's a full sheet of stickers that I got. These little time stickers are from Phenix Plans. I started using these. I really kind of like them. I kind of like how clean it looks. Canceled, nope, this all came with the kit. I loved this lemon kit. It was super cute. I loved this washi, so I split it and I tried to use it in more than one spot. So that's that week. And then going into my monthly cleaning page, this was just washi that I had bought. I think I bought it from Kawaii Pen Shop. And so I didn't have like a kit that I specifically bought for my monthly cleaning. So I wanted to use up some of the washi, and I really liked how this turned out. So I have other washi, and it kind of made me feel like, you know, I should probably just do that. This little sticker here is a Planner Kate. These event labels here are from Planner Kate, and of course all of my headers here and the daily 5, and then these here in the weekly tasks, these are scripts from Phenix Plans, as well as these little icons. These little doodle girls are Planner Kate. And then same thing over here, we've got more scripts from Phenix Plans. This little icon here is also from Planner Kate. So that's sort of how my month turned out. I did pretty good with the rotating tasks, not so great on just the overall organizing. It was kind of busy. Like I said, we were on vacation the first week of July, and then just the rest of it, I just felt like I was behind in catching up. So I didn't really get into this as much as I would have liked. But, you know, I'm glad that I have the list. I like that it's there just as a reminder, and, you know, I can still go back to those things later in the year if I want, because I have them down. So that was cleaning. And then this is my social media. This kit is an Erin Condren kit that I had customized with sort of these red colors, this red and navy blue. I love this. I love the way it turned out. As you know, these pages are monthly pages that I snipped out of an Erin Condren planner that I decided not to use. I do have to redate it because it's from 2020, I believe. This here is from Orange Umbrella Co. And then these days of the week, I bought a sheet of these from Fern Creek Stickers. So I love how that turned out. This social media and the little icons here are from Big Elephant Plans, but these event labels are from Planner Kate. This little sticker here is from a Chrissy Ann Designs book that I got from Michael's. I kind of ran out of the navy blue and red, so I just used this hot pink to celebrate 600 subscribers on YouTube. I'm really excited. It's been really fun growing the channel and my Instagram following, so this is where I track kind of my growth. I've gotten really good with trying to post something on Instagram every day. I did miss a couple days, but this was the week we were on vacation. I kind of lost track of Instagram there, but that's how my monthly spread, how I kind of plan out my videos and what I post, keep track of what I post. And then over here, this is just, again, from the Erin Condren sheet, the washi. This little icon here is from Planner Kate. These scripts are from Big Elephant Plans. And then these boxes here are from Planner Kate. I just pulled ones that I had from a leftover kit. So this is just how I keep track of the videos and making sure that I'm doing each of the steps to get them up and live on my channel. These little scripts here are from Fern Creek Stickers. And then that's kind of it. I don't have anything on the back page. So that's a flip through of my month of July. This system of social media planning is really working for me. And I like that it's in my everything planner. I like that this is not in a separate planner. Same with the monthly cleaning. I started out by having the cleaning tasks in each of my weekly spreads, and it just kind of filled up the space too much. And so I like having it all kind of condensed and together in one spot, but still in my life planner, so to speak. And then just going back through each of the kits, the Squeeze the Day, the Flamingos from Orange Umbrella Co., the May Mystery Kit. There's so many stickers in Elizabeth's mystery kits. Like, I highly recommend, if you haven't had an opportunity to purchase one, that you check it out, because there's a lot of stickers you get with that. And then Planner Kate with the tropical kit. And then again, Planner Kate with her fireworks kit. The Ever-Changing Plans monthly kit for July. The highlights page that went with it. And then back to my index page with my cute little gnome girl. So I guess that's it for this video, friends. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can catch future content on my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.